Today we are going to discussing about why grounding connection required for electronic devices, mainly laptop and PC. The laptop and PC, personal computer, very sensitive and delicate parts inside. It may damage due to thunder, and it may damage static current due to static current. That is why we required grounding connection. If you don't have earthing connection in your house, when you touch your PC, personal computer, you will get electrical shock. Likewise, in laptop also same. Laptop also some USB connectors, and when you touch the USB connectors and another connectors, then you will get shock, electrical shock. That is, if you want to check, if you have tester, then connect the connectors where the metal parts is there. There you have put your tester, then it will get light. Then your building, your house not having proper grounding connection. In that power outlet, we can observe three. Middle pin is grounding, and remaining two pins, one is neutral, another one is phase. Middle pin connection should be connected to ground. It should, the grounding connection comes through power cable, and it connected to PC chassis. Main chassis means nothing about it is a box, iron box. It grounded. When the inside the motherboard and another components will protect, when the this CPU chassis connected to ground, then only it will protect. Otherwise, if it may some rainy season, we will get thunders. That time the thunder may damage your PC. So we have to keep proper grounding system for systems and laptop also. Let us even though static current also, one more is there, one more. If people moving and sitting in the plastic chairs, it produces some static current, high voltage current. When we touching the sensitive components in the motherboard or another electronic devices, laptop like, it may damage chips, it may damage chips. So that is why we have to arrange this grounding connection must and should. So I will explain. I will explain how this grounding connection connected to your PC and laptop. Let us go for that section. This is the CPU case. It is also called cabinet of the CPU. Backside of the CPU contains power socket. In this power socket, we can see middle pin. Middle pin is, it is grounding pin. It is connected to chassis of the CPU. It direct connected to power outlet earth connection, and remaining to this two pins, one is neutral, another one is live. AC, main power outlet. In this middle pin is earth connection. It is connected to grounding earth directly outside of the building. In this also one is we always use 3-pin spike guard. Middle pin is earth. Mm, in remaining 2 pins, one is neutral, another one is live. Main power cord of the PC or computer. In this middle pin, earth connection. One end go to CPU, another end go to power outlet. So we must and should always use 3-pin power cord. Then only it will protect your laptop or PC. This one is laptop power cord. In this also same. Middle pin goes to earthing, remaining 2 pins neutral and phase. In the SMPS, inside of the SMPS also power socket having 3 pins. Middle pin goes to directly earth. This earth connection directly connected to chassis of the SMPS grounding. This SMPS grounding directly connecting to cabinet of the CPU. In the laptop adapter also the secondary side of negative connected to chassis. This chassis directly connected to earth, of main power outlet. Advantages of earthing connection in your house. You won't get electrical shocks when you touch metal parts of CPU case or laptop. It will protect from faults in AC current like voltage variations. Your laptop or PC won't damage due to thunder light and electrostatic current ESD. Your laptop or PC gives long life. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.